Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. A 3 stars Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024. And in this edition, we have 7 extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 3 stars, the 2 star Sudoku, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Okay. First one, 3 star Sudoku, number 777-4, I believe. Yeah, 777-4. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one, well, 25. That's a long time ago that the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? The one in this last row. The one in the row above. From that row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row, from the third row. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4, 4. Then 6, 6. The 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left the 5 should be there. 5. Well. How about 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 7 here. How about need a 9 here. 9. Come on. This is taking too long. 3. Need an 8. Yeah, 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column. Only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place level 8 should be there. Need an 8 there. Need an 8. 8 in the first column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 9 and a 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this big square, so no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Need a 4 here. How about these should be the 5. Need a 7 here. Need a, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place level the 6 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Need a 4 here, okay. And need a 9 here. 2, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7, I believe. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 2 and a 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need an 8 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need an 8. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8, okay. Need a 6 here, need a 4 here. 4, 4. Okay, now. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Need an 8 here. Then 9, 7, 6. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 9, and 7. No. We already have a 7 there. Need to wait. 6, need a 6 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 in this box. Here, 6 in the third column. No 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so the column between. Only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 6. Shoot there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only place level 6. Shoot there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6, shoot there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 9. Need a 4 here. 4 and 7. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. First the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and a 4 in the first column. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. So the 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left on the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. Well, let me give it a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.